My name is Fernandoherrera, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make $10,000 in profit fast in the tire industry. No BS, trust me, this is a proven strategy that tire corporations don't want you to know. So if you find this video helpful, please help me by tapping that like button, subscribe, and also share with a friend. First off, it is crucial to understand that a top tire size in the US is 205, 55, 16. This size is commonly used in Toyotas, Nissan, and other popular vehicles, making it a very high demand tire. Now the logic here is Discount Tire is selling a set of 4 tires of this same size for around $428. This includes the tire and the installation. But if we look at a tire supplier, you can actually get these 4 tires for about $187.20. And in regards to the installation, you could honestly do a quick Google search, contact several tire shops and tell them, I have a large fleet of vehicles that need tire installation. It's gonna be the same size, 205, 55, 16. Can you give me a good deal? And you should strive to get anywhere between $15 per tire, which would make it about $60 for a full set of 4. Include the sales tax now, which is about $15, and your total cost comes to around $262. Sell these sets for $425, and you will be making a profit of $162 per set sold. Do this 62 times or with 62 different people, and you, my friend, just made $10,000. Now, are you ready for a pro tip? If you have the cash, you could also buy a container of tires of this same size, 205, 55, 16, from overseas. This can bring your cost down from $187 from the US tire supplier to about $145. Making each tire about $36. Your updated cost would be somewhere around $216. If you continue selling them for $425, you would now make a profit of $208 per set, which means now you only have to do this 48 times and you again just made $10,000 in profit take home. Now this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you actually own a tire shop, you can attract customers to your store using this method. And then once they get there, you can offer vehicle inspections where you can check brakes, alignments, shocks, and diagnose any additional services they might need. Now remember, only offer services that your customer truly needs. But with this approach, it could genuinely boost your profits way beyond $10,000. Now, a special thanks for the sponsor of this video, Tyrebase. It helps us keep track of all the sales and the profits, ensuring we are well known and notified when we've reached those $10,000 in profit. And if you took the pro tip and decided to keep some inventory in stock, no problem, because Tyrebase allows suppliers or small businesses as well to keep track of their inventory like tires, wheels, or parts. Make sure you click on the link below if you're interested in finding more about a demo or potentially getting a trial from Tyrebase. But there you have it, folks. I hope you found this video helpful. Again, if you did enjoy this video, please help me by tapping that like button. Subscribe. Don't forget to share this with a friend. Consider reaching out to me via Instagram, LinkedIn, or via email, and I'll be more than happy to help you in any way possible when it comes to your tire journey. Thank you so much. I hope to see you next time. Peace.